Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Vanilla Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet. So first of all, we need to go to the App Store and we need to install this app which is called Pass to You. And when you click the search, you will find this app, Pass to You Wallet. So you need to open it and you need to install this app into your iPhone. And once the app is installed, you can open it. And when you open the app, you need to click Pass Store in the bottom left menu. And then in the top right, you will see the search icon. You need to click it. And in the search, you need to write Vanilla Visa and click the search button. And you will find this result, which is called Vanilla Visa gift card. And it's applied more than 4,000, guys. So let's open it. Then click next in the top right. And here we need to customize the card. We need to enter all of the necessary details, especially barcode, guys. We can scan the barcode or QR code. We need to add the card number, CVV expiration date, guys. So when we'll fill all of the necessary gaps, we need to click the done button in the top right. And after we will customize our vanilla gift card, we need to click add button in the top right. And so this will add our card to our Apple Wallet. So let's close this app and let's go to our Apple Wallet. And when you open your Apple Wallet, you will find Vanilla gift card in your Apple Wallet, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.